And we're live.
We're live, okay.
Big W today. This feels nice.
It does. It's a good win for the program and for the girls.
I'm here with father and daughter, Chuck and Jamie. The first W for women's soccer here today on the quad, a big 8-0 win over Suffolk. Feels nice to get goals in bunches after a couple of overtime losses the first two games of the year. And Jamie with her first career hat trick here at Gordon. You actually almost matched your season total in goals from last year in this one game today. You actually are now have 4 so far this season. I think the most impressive goal that you had today was actually your second goal when Caitlin sent the ball like 50 yards downfield. You ran onto it, beat your defender, and just stuck your left foot into the top right corner of the goal. It was really nice. Walk us through that play in particular. Go ahead, just go for it.
I'll take it.
It's all you.
We were playing a little bit higher. They had a high back line. I just happened to make eye contact with Caitlin. She had been looking for me a couple times before. She played a great ball over the top. I was able to run onto it. Just played that back post like I've been practicing.
First time you've been obedient. Thank you.
The movement in general seemed to be a lot better today, just ball movement wise. They were less pressed back than some of the other teams that you've played so far. I mean, we haven't seen you a ton. It is the only third game of the year, but just everything has seemed a lot more crisp today. Is that something that you just worked on pretty heavily since the last game, or is it just kind of the next building block of what you implemented in the off season, saw through training camp, and now you're starting to find the connection of passes and those goals are going to come?
Yeah, it's something that we've been working on from day one. Actually, when we started training in the spring, is our combination play, our possession, our speed of play, our switching of fields, and it's taken a little while to get it, and we're starting to see it click a little bit more with each game that we play. Even in our losses, we saw steps that were positive steps for improvement. And so today we also made some changes, really trying to figure out what the right combination of players is on the field, and we had a lot of players in different positions, just trying to find that right chemistry, and we feel like we took some really good steps in that direction as well.
Not to take anything away from the win, but you do have a conference match coming up on Saturday after a relatively tough non-conference schedule. Western New England come to town on Saturday. What do you take from games like this, but also the 2 overtime games, to get ready for a big conference opponent that actually surprised you guys a little bit on the road last year?
Yeah, Winnick last year played us great at their place. We went up early on them, and then they actually took over the game last year. But as we're trying to take every single game and just find little areas of improvement. And again, we've seen that in every single game so far. So we'll just keep working on who we're going to be and how we're going to play. And our purpose is always to honor God through everything that we're doing. And one of the things we talked about today was having fun and let the passion for their relationship with Christ, their passion for the team, their passion for the game come out. And we're a program, we're a team that it's all about the bigger purpose. And when we keep that in the right focus, I think we get performances like this.
All right, well, congratulations on the win. We'll see you on Saturday.
Great, thank you.